A little surprise over here at the end of the rainbow here. That's where our soaking tub's going to go, and we're going to show you a really cool way to pop some resin right into that to make it gorgeous. So stay tuned. We're going to transform this right before your eyes and show you exactly how we did the resin part. All right, so there you go. Our boxes are completely finished and in play. There's our nice, pretty soaking tub. So everything came together really nicely right over the top. She's already got a couple of things sitting up there on the shelves. We've trimmed out our boxes, as you can see. Just really pulled everything together. If you want to see how we did this from start to finish, and this is the first time you are actually seeing this video, we have all the first, second, and third video already out of how to actually make these boxes inside the wall, how we built the squares and how we epoxied them and how we brought everything together here for the finish. So all out there for you already. All you got to do is watch it. We will have the rest of this bathroom here done real soon. You'll be seeing the countertop we've got here across the way. We're still finishing up, so it won't be that much longer, but wanted to go ahead and get the how-to video here completely out here, how to do these boxes in your house. And you can put these just about anywhere, bathroom, kitchen, down a hallway, doesn't matter. Really brings it together. So as usual, thanks for watching. We'll be back real soon for the rest of it.